sea turtles are experiencing something strange. Almost all of the 2 lakh green sea turtles in Australia's northern Great Barrier Reef were females. That was according to a 2018 study. In a 2020 study, scientists estimated that hawksbill and green turtles inhabiting the Red Sea, which is nestled between Africa and Asia, could have been all female. Surprisingly, crocodiles could also be facing a similar situation. These events are upsetting the sex ratio, which is the proportion of males to females in a given population. But what is triggering this tilt in sex ratio? Find out in this episode of Explained. Temperature controls the sex of most baby turtles, crocodiles, alligators, many fish, and some lizard species. No one knew that temperature affects sex ratios for a really long time. In 1966, Madeline Charnier described this mechanism in the rainbow agama lizard. The finding was considered so bizarre that it did not garner enough attention for many years. In 1979, Dr. James J. Bull and Dr. Richard Vogt made a similar observation in reptiles. This mechanism came to be known as temperature-dependent sex determination, or TSD in short. So what is temperature-dependent sex determination, or TSD? Let's follow an olive ridley turtle to its nesting site. When a female arrives on the beach, she digs a hole into the sand and lays about 100 eggs, which could take about 45 to 52 days to hatch. Sometime during the 52-day development period, the eggs become sensitive to the sand's temperature. Under warm conditions, the eggs hatch into all females, while cooler ones produce more males. In crocodile species, things play out a little differently. They hatch into males when mercury reaches 34 degrees and females when it drops to 30 degrees. Temperatures beyond 34 degrees produce females again. TSD is also reported in 59 different species of fish. Spotted skink, Jackie dragon, and central bearded dragon are some examples of lizards following TSD. So how does temperature hold such immense power? One reason is that temperature affects an enzyme that decides whether the hatchling is male or female. The enzyme called aromatase converts the male sex hormone androgen into its female counterpart estrogen. A slight change in temperature is enough to turn on this conversion. In contrast, either XY or XX chromosomes decide sex in humans. Chromosomes carry genetic information from one generation to the other. Like turtles, even Indians are recording a skewed sex ratio. This is primarily due to a preference for a male child. But most reptiles and some fish species don't have that choice. Increasing temperatures due to climate change seem to be favoring one sex over the other. By 2100, researchers estimate that high temperatures could produce up to 98% female turtles in some regions. There's another cause of concern. Heat waves could kill the eggs and hatchlings of turtles. If warming continues unabated, it could create a world inhabited by an overwhelming female turtle population. An event that could trigger the extinction of the entire species. So what is being done to balance the sex ratio? One method is to create artificial rain to cool sand temperatures. Researchers are erecting sprinklers in Mon Repos, a turtle breeding site in Australia. The water shooting out of them will lower sand temperatures, which could then boost the male population. That's a wrap on this episode. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.